Welcome to educational channel of Suraj classes. Quantitative aptitude video on percent part 5. Please watch all my videos on percent in quantitative aptitude section as well as the percent video in playlist of fast calculation tricks. We are going to solve few questions in this video. Our first question is, if 70% of A equal to 40% of B, 30% of B equal to 42% of C, and C equal to X% of A, then find X. We solve like this. The first part of this question is 70% of A equal to 40% of B. This is the first part of question. Second part is 30% of B equal to 42% of C. This is second part. On observing these two, if we eliminate B from both the equations, then we can establish a relation between A and C, and by solving value of C in terms of A or value of A in terms of C, then we can put in the third expression and we can solve the question. So we observe that in first equation 40% of B and in second equation 30% of B. If we have to make 30% equal to 40%, then we will have to multiply the equation 2 by 4 upon 3. So by multiplying equation 2 by 4 upon 3, we get 30 multiplied by 4 upon 3 percent of B equal to 42 multiplied by 4 upon 3 percent of C. 3 cancels 30 for 10 times. Also 3 cancels 42 for 14 times. This gives us 40% of B equal to 56% of C. 14 times 4 is 56. Now if we put the value of 40% of B in equation 1, then we get 70% of A equal to 56% of C. Cancelling percent by percent and dividing both sides by 14, we get 70 when divided by 14 gives 5 and 56 when divided by 14 gives 4. And cancelling off on both sides, we get A equal to 4 upon 5C. Now the third expression is C equal to X% of A. So X% is X upon 100 and the value of A is 4 upon 5C. Cancelling C on both sides and 4 cancels 100 for 25 times, we get X equal to 125. 25 times 5 is 125. So we get X equal to 125. This is our solution for this question. The next question is, if 78% of A equal to 45% of B and the second part is 36% of B equal to 52% of C and C equal to X% of A, find X. A similar question. In this also, we will eliminate B to find the relation between A and C. The first part is 78% of A equal to 45% of B. We give this equation as equation number 1. The second part is 36% of B equal to 52% of C. Now we have to make 36 as 45 to eliminate B from 1 and 2. If we divide second equation by 4 and multiply it by 5, then 36 becomes 45. So equation number 2 multiplied by 5 upon 4, we get 36 multiplied by 5 upon 4% of B equal to 52 multiplied by 5 upon 4% of C. 4 cancels 36 for 9 times and 4 cancels 52 for 13 times. 9 times 5 equal to 45. This gives 45% of B equal to 13 times 5 is 65% of C. This is our equation number 3. If we eliminate 45% of B from equation number 1 and 3, we get the relation between A and C. On eliminating B, we get 78% of A equal to 65% of C. Cancelling both side percent and of and dividing both side by 13, we get 13 divides 78 for 6 times and 13 divides 65 for 5 times. This gives A equal to 5 upon 6 C. Now putting the value in the given expression C equal to X percent of A, we can find X. So C equal to X percent is X upon 100 and A is 5 upon 6 C. Cancelling C on both sides and 5 cancels 100 for 20 times, we get X equal to 120. 20 times 6 is 120. This was part 5 of questions on percent. Here completes this video. Please watch all my videos on percent so as to learn all types of numericals and word problem on percent. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.